The season, that is golf season. So let's review a bunch of stuff we have in our golf bag and golf cart. Starting with my favorite, this. On your putter, it's a ball picker upper. Sounds crazy, right? Very easy, just so you know. Screws right in, top of your putter. Losing my words here. Let's demonstrate. It's on the ground. Picks it up. Picture it. It's in the hole. No bending down. No hurting your knees. No hurting your back. No doing this. You just literally in the hole. Pick it up. Seriously, best investment I ever